frozen white, Apple CarPlay, reverse sensors. Hi, my name is Noah here at RMC Motor Company. Here is a brief video of this 2018 Ford Fiesta. So, in this video, I'm going to do a brief walk around the car and just show you around the car in its entirety. As mentioned before, finished in frozen white. Overall, an absolutely gorgeous car to look at. As this is the ST line as well, so it's got the upgraded bumpers and the upgraded wheels from factory. Looking into the rear of the vehicle, plenty of space. Subtle badging on the rear of the car and on the side as well. Now looking into the interior, gorgeous centre console with the Apple CarPlay feature, stunning steering wheel, reverse sensors and much more. But that was just a brief video of the 2018 Ford Fiesta. Thanks for watching.
Here we have a 2018 Ford Fiesta here for the underbody video following our ramp inspection. Coming over to the offside front wheel, here we see all four wheel bolts are present. The brake discs and the brake pads are both in good condition, plenty of life left in them. Here on the outside of the tyre, here we see there are no bulges. Looking at the centre tread, here we can see there is plenty of life left in these tyres, no cracks or any signs of perishing. And coming to the inside, we can see there are no bulges or any cracks in the alloy wheel. Being a drive wheel, there is very minor resistance, but no brakes are binding. Here we can see that the brake lines are all as they should be. Look up here, we can see the coil spring, which appears to be in good condition with no cracks and nothing coming from the shock absorber, showing that they're all working as they should. And for the rest of the braking and suspension components, they're all in good working order. Come over to the under tray, here we'll see it's all secure and safe. And come to the near side front wheel, here we can see all four wheel bolts are present. Look on the outside of this tyre, here we can see there are no bulges. Same scenario for the brake discs and the brake pads. We can see that there is plenty of life left in these. No bulges. Same situation with the tread. There's plenty of life left in these tyres. And come to the inside, here we can see there are no bulges. All cracks in the alloys. Being a drive wheel again, there is some minor resistance, but nothing to indicate that the brakes are binding. Here we can see the CV boots on both sides are all in good working order with no splits. Come up here, we can see that there is no cracks in the coil springs and nothing coming out of the shock absorbers, so they're all in good working order. And for the brake lines, there is nothing here to indicate any wear. And the rest of the braking and suspension components are all in good working order. Come through the centre of the vehicle, here we'll see the exhaust, which is safe and securely mounted. Come to the near side rear, offside rear wheel, sorry. Here we can see all four wheel bolts are present. Brake discs, very minor lip, but plenty of life left on these rear disc and pads. And come to the outside of this tyre, here we can see there are no bulges. Come to the centre tread, we can see that there is plenty of tread left in these tyres. And on the inside, there is no bulges or cracks in these alloys. On the offside rear, we do have a Bridgestone, which is a premium tyre. Here we can see the coil spring and the shock absorber, which are both in good working order with no cracks in the shock absorber and nothing coming out of the shock. No cracks in the coil spring and nothing coming out of the shock absorber. Here we can see the brake lines, which all appears to be good in good working order. Come over to the rear beam axle, all black, which shows that this is in good condition, no wear or any rust. Come to the near side rear wheel, here we see all four wheel bolts are present. Same scenario with the brake disc and pads, minor wear on the pads, minor wear on the discs and plenty of pad left. Come to the outside of this tyre, we can see that there are no bulges. Come through to the centre tread, here we can see there are no cuts and plenty of life left in these. And no cracks or bulges on the inside of these tyres. This tyre on this side, again, is a Bridgestone, which is a big bonus, being a premium tyre. Here we can see the coil spring has no cracks and the shock absorber is all in good working order, along with the brake lines on this corner. If we come back here, we can see the rear crash bar, which is straight as an arrow. Show this vehicle has not been in a rear end collision as far as we are aware. Going to come through the centre of this vehicle, back to where we started. Thank you very much for watching.